Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to take a first look at a game that I've sort of been wanting to get for a while and looking forward to playing. And it's called Captain's Sea. Let me get so it doesn't glare on you. And the American frigates 1799 to 1850. And this is a ship-to-ship combat. A little bit different than the other games that have, fleets of ships. This one's single ships. Game designed by Mike Nagel and from Legion War Games. So let's take a look inside and see what comes with it. All right, so Captain's Sea by Legion Games. This comes in a 2-inch wide box. And don't give up the ship here. You do have individual ships that you battle with. And you have some game counters here. Mike Nigel, game designer. Kevin Clemens, developer. You have a 22 by 34 game map, 176 die cut counters, 24 order blocks, 55 playing cards, 16 ship data, 3 octagonal ships, 4 player aid cards, 1 16-page rule book, 24-page player book with designer notes, example of play, and 10 scenarios. Number of players, 2, because you got to have somebody to fight against. Game complexity, medium, and solitaire suitability is medium to low. So, I'm thinking this is going to be a hard game to fight against yourself. Unless you're really angry with yourself, then you probably could have some good battles. Let's take a look inside. So the first thing I see, are the blocks. So we have a nice set of wooden blocks here, which I imagine we're going to have some stickers to put on there. We have our ship counters, blocks again, and the stickers for the counters on that, so all wood. We have our battle cards, and we have 6 six-sided dice, 3 of each color, and some more plastic bags inside a plastic bag. Player aid cards, so this would be for your damage, your crew, all of that, and these all seem to be, yes, double-sided. So crew morale there, you got shots, the sides here, I guess the damage that you take on each side. I don't know, haven't played this. The crew. So we do have different ones of these for different ships, as you can see, and different nationalities of ships. So these little pieces here can represent any ship that you happen to pick. And then we have our player aids cards, and it looks like they're the same to me. Yes, they are. Movement table on the back here. And you have damage effect table right here. So a lot of stuff can be happening when you shoot. Here we have some counters here with different information. Smoke here, points assignment, points loaded, what are loaded and what is in there, and color coded it seems to be. Then we have the back side, different shot. Let me turn this around so it's right side to you. Captain Sea, so we do have a page of errata right here. And Legion War Game gives us some newer games that you can buy, newer at the time that this was produced anyway. Never a folded map, you can get a rolled map if you'd like. And then it looks like we have some instruction for the ship tiles. And here are our pieces that we will be sticking on the ship tile. And we have our paper map here, which is pretty much looks about the same all the way around. We got a lot of blue. We do have impulses here on this side and some player aid there. And then we have some more player aids on these sides right here, showing us what we can do. So each person has their own side there as they traverse the map there and attack each other. And then finally we get down to our rules of play. And as you can see, it's not a real thick manual, so it's something you can get through rather quickly. Some mainly words, but we do have some illustrations and examples here. But that looks like a pretty quick read to me. So it seems like you could get through this pretty quick. And then you have the playbook here. And Captain Sea's playbook, American frigates, and we have some comprehensive example of plays to get you through that. Activation cycle and reloads. Talks about the steps. And again, so I'm thinking we're still on the example of play, and then we get to designer notes here. And then we get to scenarios, it seems like here. Different point values and what you have to work with on your ships. So these are all your scenarios in the backpack here. And we have a blank blue piece of paper. So that was a quick look at what's included in the box for Captain C's The American Frigates, 1799 to 1850 by Legion Games. And so I've been wanting this game for a while. I'm kind of a fan of wooden ships, Iron Men from way back, and I like the idea of just a single ship to keep track of. So hopefully you'll be seeing a playthrough on the channel soon with this one. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and hope to see you or have you around for the next video. Take care.